I'm going to show you how to make a front post double crochet. To start, you first need a foundation of double crochets. So I'm going to make my turning chain here. We're not going to do our front post double crochet into the first double crochet, we're going to go into the second. So a front post double crochet is like a double crochet, but instead of going into the stitch like a normal double crochet, we're going to be doing our double crochet around this post. So each double crochet from the previous row has a post. So here is a post, here is a post, and so on. So to do the front post double crochet, we're going to double crochet around this post. With that being said, there are two different ways to go around the post. That's where the front and back part come from in a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. So for the front post double crochet, you can think of it as we want to push this post towards us, towards the front. To do that, we're going to have to insert our hook away and then towards us to push this post towards us. Since we're doing a front post double crochet, we're going to have to yarn over like a normal double crochet, but instead of going into the stitch, we're going to go around this post and we have it push towards us for the front post double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over like a normal double crochet and pull it behind that post. And then we're just going to finish off a normal double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So there is one front post double crochet. You can see that our double crochet is around that previous row's double crochet. Let's do another one. Once again, we're going to yarn over like a normal double crochet, but we're going to go around this post. So we're not going in the stitch, we're going around the post. And we want to push the post towards us for a front post double crochet. Then we're going to yarn over, pull it behind that post, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And there are 2 front post double crochets. So the back of a front post double crochet is actually a back post double crochet. So that is what this looks like here. If you would like to watch the back post double crochet video, you can watch that right here. I will do one more with you guys. So we're going to yarn over, put our hook behind and to the front, pushing that post towards us, yarn over, pull behind the post, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. That is how you do a front post double crochet. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.